Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today let's prepare an easy sunflower bread with a spinach filling. This is perfect to go with a hot cup of tea. The preparation of the bread dough for the sunflower bread, the bread corn and the homemade burger buns are all the same. So try saving this recipe. It will be very useful for you all. So beginning with the bread dough. For those who have watched my previous video on bread corn and buns, you might find this a repetition, but for those who are watching for the first time, just giving a brief description. I have taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then to this I am adding some salt. Then half tablespoon of milk powder, which is optional, half tablespoon sugar. Then add half tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon of dry instant yeast. Then add 1 beaten egg. If you are vegetarian, then you can substitute this with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then add enough warm water and form this into a soft dough. Then finally add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, olive oil or even melted butter, and then knead well. Now allow this dough to rest until it will double in size. Let's prepare the spinach filling. For that, into a pan add the spinach without adding any oil. Slightly cook this spinach for 1 to 2 minutes until you could see water releasing, and once this water gets dried, it's ready to remove. Next, for the filling we need some homemade paneer. This I have just prepared and then drained the excess water without allowing it to set. This is almost 3 tablespoons. Next to the paneer, add the cooked spinach. I have taken almost 1.5 cups of spinach and then cooked, but now you can see it's only very little after cooking. Now season this with some black pepper powder. You can also use red chili flakes instead. Here I'm not adding any salt. Instead I'm using here feta cheese. This cheese has got good amount of salt, so I'm adding here 1/4 cup of cheese. If you don't like to add cheese, you can increase the amount of paneer. Now mix this all and form this into a creamy texture. Here the spinach, I have just added it like that. You can also grind it and then add to make it smooth. Now the dough is ready. Divide this dough into 2 equal portions and then we have to roll it out into a big round shape. So here I have rolled both of them. Place the first sheet onto a baking tray and I'm going to place the filling onto the first sheet. As this is going to be a sunflower bread, the filling will come on the sides and on the center. After placing the filling, now cover this with the second sheet. Next, to cut this bread neatly, just cover the middle portion with a mold. I'm using here a glass. Now leaving the center portion, just cut as shown. Next, after cutting, you can just twist each portion like this as shown. After this, you can allow this to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then give a good egg wash. Next, onto the center, you can add some sesame seeds. So now this is ready to be baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. If you don't have oven, you can also bake this on a stove top and also use the same method what we did while preparing buns. So the light and tasty sunflower bread will be ready to serve. So do give this a try and then let me know your comments. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.